Hey guys, I'm Khushbu Priyadarshi. Welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is based on Alia Bhatt hairstyle. Watch this full video. You'll learn how to do this hairstyle by yourself. She did this hairstyle for this an award. So let's start. Take a small section and divide it into 3 parts. Now, take a right side under to the left and the left side under to the right. Now, I make 2 parts of it. Then I am going to take a small section of a hair from a right side and add to the left. Pick a new section of a hair and cross it under to the left. Then I am going to take a small section of a hair from a left side and add it to the right. Pick up a new section of your hair and cross it under to the right. And continue the steps until you reach at the ear side. When you reach at a ear side, then just only take a section of a hair from one side and add it to another side. Then take a small section of your hair and add it to the another side. and it's ready. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.